It's hugely important because it lets us monitor how much progress is going on. Initially, it was very heavily used in the field. But then as everybody's working remotely now, the forward planning teams, the project managers, our construction folks that build houses, we're all kind of coming together.
It brought us to a screeching halt for a moment, and we had to kind of step back and say, how can we continue operations and still keep, the first and foremost health and safety of our workers is the priority, because the people have to come in, they have to feel safe, and you got to provide that for them. You can kind of monitor on, how often you fly it, but on a week-to-week basis, you can tell how dense the population is on the site. So, if you see something that's getting a little too confined, you can maybe plan your strategy a little bit different to keep your trades separated.
TraceAir uses drone scans to enable you to plan, monitor, and measure on job sites. Accurately quantify materials and work completed to verify billings and track assets. Identify mistakes early from the field or office, and use TraceAir to communicate changes to the whole team effectively. We've helped teams reduce grading time by up to 20%. With commercial-grade drones, you can have HD quality imagery and 1/10 of a foot accuracy. Use visuals and data to ensure that your team is on track. Understand how much dirt was moved and how much is left to move, and even calculate the shrink-swell coefficient. Grading contractors, engineers, consultants, top developers, and home builders in the US and abroad trust TraceAir.